Hello, children. Hope you're all fine. Welcome to Fun Learning Time. Do you like to listen to stories? Yes, me too. Today, I'm going to narrate a short story and you will all listen to me attentively. First, let us sing the song of alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Good job, everyone! So, let's have fun with the story of sound A. Listen to me. There was a little girl whose name was Annie. She climbed up on an apple tree. And what happened? When Anne bit her on an ankle and she says, "Ah, something is tickling me. Something is tickling me." And she shouts, "Ah, ah, ah." Repeat with me. Ah, ah, ah. Yes. This is the sound of A. What is the sound of A? Ah, ah. Okay. Now we all came to know the sound of A is ah, ah. Okay, let me ask you some questions. What was the girl's name? Annie. Annie. Okay, where did she climb? Apple tree. Apple tree. Apple. Okay, where did she bit her? Ankle. Ankle. Who bit her? Ant. Ant. Then what did she shouted? Ah! 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 Excellent! See you all soon. Till then, remember, keep singing and dancing too. Love you.